Vectorpea is an online tool for vector graphics. It was created by the same developer that created Photopea. Users can create new projects straight from the interface or upload content to work on. Vectorpea supports a wide range of file types and several cloud storage services. Slack made the decision to retire its X account as it wants to consolidate its communications and focus resources on those most widely used by its customers. This repository contains a curated list of free courses and certifications. The grant will be used to develop a new spacecraft that will be able to carry more than 100 kilogram loads to the Moon's surface by 2027. The FCC has voted to move ahead with a plan to restore net neutrality rules and common carrier regulation of Internet service providers. Broadband will be reclassified as a telecommunications service, allowing the FCC to regulate ISPs. The reclassification will give the FCC more authority to protect national security on broadband networks. The broadband industry will likely sue the FCC in an attempt to nullify the rulemaking. Apple's iOS 17.1 update may have fixed a screen burn issue with the iPhone 15. Some iPhone 15 Pro Max owners recently complained about an issue where a shadow of an image was permanently etched into the display. The update is still in beta and will roll out to the public next week. The fix suggests that the issue is a software bug rather than a more expensive hardware problem. A recent study suggests that a 10-second smartphone voice recording may be able to deliver an on-the-spot diagnosis for type 2 diabetes. The pitch and intensity of the recordings differ in a consistent manner between diabetic and non-diabetic people. The scientists in the study created an AI-based program to analyze voice recordings. The system was 89% accurate at identifying type 2 diabetic women and 86% accurate at spotting diabetic men. The U.S. Marine Corps recently tested a robot dog armed with a training version of the M72 infantry anti-armor rocket launcher. Specific details about the robot dog and its capabilities are limited. The Marine Corps has released photos and videos of the robot completing tests. This article contains the video of the robot with the anti-armor rocket launcher along with many other videos of armed quadrupedal robots. This article contains advice from a professional software engineer with 15 years of experience. The advice is listed in no particular order. Some of the advice includes not thinking in absolutes, thinking about how code might fail while writing it, and realizing that there will never be time for going back and fixing technical debt. Australia's Hologram Zoo opened in Brisbane earlier this year. It features 50 lifelike displays crafted from lasers. The hologram show uses a device that detects where everyone in the room is, creating a tailored virtual experience. It also uses sensory technology that allows visitors to smell the flowers and trees. This article looks at the technology that powers the zoo. Pictures of a couple of exhibits from the Hologram Zoo are available. Russian and Chinese government-backed hackers have been actively exploiting a WinRAR vulnerability that was patched in version 6.23, released in August. ChargePoint will start shipping NACS cable upgrade kits for existing DC fast chargers in November. One tier will cost less than the current $8 per month plan, but it won't reduce ads, while the other tier will be more expensive but remove all ads.